Hello, friends. It has been around 6 weeks since the lockdown in India is announced, and in these 6 weeks, your cars are, of course, lying in your parking space, and the batteries of your car must be completely discharged. So, when the lockdown is over, you will not be able to start your car, and you may think that yes, I will take the battery to the garage and then charge it and again start the car. No problem, absolutely fine. But the problem is that if the battery remains in discharge condition for very long period of time, its capacity and the life also degrades. Of course, it depends on how much old your battery is. If the battery is very old, then the chances of reducing the life and losing the capacity further increases. So I have made this video to tell you how to charge the battery at home with some equipments. So let us do this. For that, the first step is to remove the battery from the car. So let us remove it first. So for removing the battery, first you have to open the bonnet. So a small handle is provided over here. So you have to pull this handle and listen to the sound, which is an indication of opening the bonnet. Now bonnet is open. Put your fingers below the bonnet, just lift the latch and lift the bonnet up. Don't forget to support the bonnet, otherwise it will fall down. And here is the battery of your vehicle. Now this battery is completely discharged and I cannot start the vehicle with the help of this battery. Now in order to remove the battery, you have to disconnect the wires attached to the negative terminal, this one, and the positive terminal of the battery by loosening the nuts which are provided over here and one more over here. So first let us loosen this, and using a spanner for loosening the nuts. Remember, you don't have to completely remove the nuts, just loosen it by 3-4 turns like this, and the negative terminal wire is disconnected. Similarly, for positive terminal, I am loosening this nut again by 4-5 turns, and just pull this wire out, which is connected to the positive terminal, and it is disconnected. Another thing that you have to do is remove this clamp. For that you have to loosen one of these two nuts like this, again don't remove these nuts completely, just take it up and this clamp is also removed. Then take these handles up and pull the battery out of the container. Here we go, the battery is completely removed. So before starting the charging of the battery, I must tell you about the safety precautions. First thing, keep the battery on the wooden plank like this. Second thing, keep the battery in the ventilated area. The balcony of your house is the best area for keeping the battery, but you must avoid the sunlight, direct sunlight falling on the battery. Third thing, battery is potentially explosive, and that's why you must keep them out of the reach of the children. Also, you should avoid any kind of flame or fire nearby the battery. So with this, we will start now how to charge the battery. So for charging the battery, what I am going to use is this. Yes, it is a laptop charger, normal laptop charger. I have two laptop chargers with me. I am going to use, of course, the old one. Now this laptop charger has the specifications like this. You can see the specification of the laptop charger. Let me focus on this. So it has, the voltage is 18.5 volt and the current is 3.5 ampere, whereas our battery voltage is 12.8 volt. So the charger voltage is around 6 volt greater than the battery voltage, so it is going to charge it. Also, the capacity of the battery is 33 ampere hour and the charger current is 3.5 amperes. So our charger is going to charge the battery by a rate of 0.1 C only. So it is very slow rate with which the charger is going to charge the battery, and that's why it is very safe also. Now, how to do this? First, this kind of pin is there at the end of the charger cable. You have to cut this pin down. So once you cut this, you will not be able to use this for laptop charger. So I already cut the pin like this. So when the pin is cut, you will see the wire like this. Now you might think that this is a single wire, but actually there are two wires, the central white wire, and around that there is a mesh of wires. So I have already removed the white wire from the mesh of the wires. So this white wire is nothing but the positive terminal of the charger, the central one, and the covering of the white wire, which is in the form of wire mesh, is nothing but the negative terminal of the charger. Next, you have to make the loops like this so that you can connect these wires to the electrodes of the battery, and then connect the positive terminal of the charger, white one, to the positive terminal of the battery like this. See, positive to positive connection, and connect the negative terminal of the charger, means the outer mesh, to the negative terminal of the battery. So negative to negative and positive to positive wires are connected. And finally, put this pin of the charger into this socket, normal 5 ampere socket you can use, and just switch on the power supply. So here the battery is connected and the power supply is on. Now we are charging the battery with 0.1 C rate, means 0.1 C rate means only 3.5 ampere. So it is going to take around 10 hours to completely charge the battery. But as a safety precaution, I will suggest that you stop the charging of the battery after around 7 hours. So very slow rate is there, but after 7 hours you will get your battery 70% charged, and that is sufficient for starting the car. So the battery is charged. I have charged it for 7 hours, and then I have connected this by connecting the negative wire to the negative terminal and the positive wire to the positive terminal, and by clamping the battery with the help of these nuts. Now let us see it is working or not. So I will close the bonnet first. To start the vehicle. So let us see whether it works or not. Yes, it worked. Finally it worked. So thanks for watching the video. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.